Setting IP addresses manually is slow and frustrating. By the end of this video, you will know how to configure a Cisco router as a DHCP server in Packet Tracer, so you never have to assign IP addresses manually again. I will start by adding some PCs. Then I add a switch and a router. And I need to connect all of this together. I choose the automatic cable. And for switch to router, I chose to do it manually. So I can choose the interface gigabit 0/0. Now I need to configure the router. We need to give the router's interface an IP address. I will choose 192.168.11/24. We go to the router's CLI, enable, config terminal to go to config mode. Then we need to choose that interface on the router, its interface, gigabit, Ethernet 0/0. This is the port that has been connected to the switch. We're going to give it the IP address, then IP address 192.168.1.1, and the subnet is 255.255.255. No shutdown to activate the port. And then exit. Now that we gave that interface an IP, we need to create our DHCP pool. IP DHCP pool, we call it ABC. We give it a name. This tells the router which network it will assign IP addresses from. We've typed default router 192.168.1.1. This tells every client that the router's IP address is its default gateway. Then I will provide a DNS server so every client can have the same DNS server. Now I need to check if the DHCP is working. I will click on one of the PCs. I open the IP configuration and I will switch to DHCP and requesting IP address, and yes, the DHCP assign IP address to the PC. Another PC. Again, I will turn the DHCP on, so it will receive IP from router, default gateway, and DNS. Another PC. Turn DHCP on. I do the same for all the PCs so they can get the automatically they can get the IP address from the router. We need to check if the PCs can ping each other. I will try ping and one of the PC's IP address to see if they can ping each other. Yes. PC receive reply from another PC. We will check another PC. 192.168.1.4. And yes, everything is working and DHCP is sending IP address to other PCs. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.